Over the next few moments, I'm going to talk with you about business remodeling. Learning from courses in bits and pieces is a good way. They teach well and then it is up to you to use learning. This is not 100% effective. Business consulting is an approach where we work with the company in a continuous manner and keep growing the current company from one level to the next level. This is called actual growth. Sometimes as a business owner, you scratch your head and think that in spite of putting money in the business, why the desired results are not coming. I can tell you it will not come. Success would come with correct synergies of team, processes, sales, marketing, and other key factors, plus the right framework is needed to take the business forward with the rigorous review. Hire any good consulting firm for your business growth. However, if you wish to connect with us, we would love to listen to your problem and goals.